सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों, my name is Gurtej Singh. Today our topic is OEE, Overall Equipment Effectiveness. Overall Equipment Effectiveness is an lean manufacturing tool and universal best practice to monitor, evaluate and improve the effectiveness of an production process. This could be an assembly line, machine cell, packaging line and filling machine, etc. Right? How we can calculate OEE? Well, first of all, we need to calculate availability, how much time we have available and how much we have utilized that. Second one is performance. In that particular time, how much production we have produced, right? And in quality, how quality product we have produced in that particular process, right? uh, for calculating these three parameters, we have some formulas and we are going to that formulas right now. Availability. For availability, we should have runtime and plant production time so that we can easily calculate the availability. What is total time? Total time is a total minutes or total hours in a day. Like in 24 hours day, we have 1440 minutes. That is total time. Plant production time. Plant production time is the time that we have planned for run the machine plant to produce the production on that particular process, right? The runtime is the time that we have run our machine. Runtime is plant production time minus stop time. We always have we have other plant, we always make plant to produce the product, that is plant production time. Sometimes we have some losses, that is our stop time, right? If we subtract plant production if we subtract stop time from plant production time, that is our run time, right? We will see its value or its this parameter in on the next slide with examples, right? This is our performance. How do we calculate the performance? Performance is the ratio of net run time to run time. Its calculation is here, net run time. Cycle time into performance is cycle time into total count divided by run time. साइकिल टाइम कैसा होता है? Cycle time is the fastest cycle time that your process can achieve in optimum circumstances, right? और net run time कैसे होता है? Ideal cycle time into total count. This is cycle time. Net run time. Cycle time into total count. This is our net run time divided by run time. रन टाइम हमारा हमने कैलकुलेट यहाँ कर ही लिया, राइट? परफॉर्मेंस का निकालने का ये भी फॉर्मूला है, बट वैल्यू सेम ही आती है. क्वालिटी इज सिंपली हाउ मच वी हैव प्रोड्यूस एंड हाउ मच फ्रॉम दैट प्रोडक्शन इज अवर गुड प्रोडक्शन, राइट? इट्स फार्मूला इज गुड काउंट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल काउंट. गुड काउंट मीन्स ओके प्रोडक्शन, टोटल काउंट मीन्स ओके प्रोडक्शन प्लस रिजेक्शन. In the next slide, we are calculating all these values and find out the total OEE. Right? This is our example. For example, we have 1440 minutes plant production time. देखो हमारे पास 1440 मिनट टोटल होते हैं एक दिन में. Sometime we need to remove lunch time, tea break, etc. from total time. But in this process where we are calculating OEE, our machine is totally run. Our machine no stop for any lunch time, any tea break, because operator takes their tea, operators take their lunch, but machine is always in the running condition. So our that time we have planned for the production. देखो यहाँ पे ऑपरेटर खाना खा रहा है, ऑपरेटर स्टॉप कर रहा है, बट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस इज नॉट स्टॉपिंग हियर, राइट? सो हम प्लांट प्रोडक्शन टाइम इक्वल टू यहाँ पे हमारा टोटल टाइम आ गया. सम प्रोसेस आर लाइक दैट, मशीन रुकती है, खड़ी होगी और उसके बाद लंच टाइम के बाद ऑपरेटर दोबारा चलाएगा. तो दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस के अंदर आप प्लांट प्रोडक्शन टाइम से टोटल टाइम से वो जो अनप्लान टाइम है, जो आपने मशीन बंद किया, उसको माइनस कर सकते हैं, आपको करना ही है, राइट। सो हाउ वी कैलकुलेट दिस? रन टाइम, हमारा यहाँ कुछ स्टॉपेज आई थी जिसकी वजह से हमने वो टाइम को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, हमारा यहाँ रन टाइम आ गया 1200 मिनट। एग्जाम्पल यहाँ में लिखना चाहिए था वो चीज़ कि 1440 में हमारा कुछ ब्रेकडाउन आया है, कुछ सेटअप्स आए हैं जो हमने प्लान टाइम में नहीं डाले थे, हमारे प्लान का पार्ट नहीं थे वो, ठीक। उस मेरे को यहाँ मेंशन करना चाहिए था, बट आप समझ जाइए कि जब रन टाइम था, जितने मशीन में हमारी रन करती रही, हमारे रन हुई है टोटल प्लान में से, उसको हमने यहाँ मेंशन किया है, राइट। रन टाइम इज 1200 मिनट, प्लान प्रोडक्शन टाइम इज 1440 minutes, right? We put this value in this formula and calculate the availability of this plant, right? Next one is performance. How can we calculate the performance? Performance is cycle time into total count divided by run time. Cycle time is 1.74 second is our cycle time. Total good production, which we have okay production, is 32400, 32,400. That is our good count. Rejection is 2550. The total production is good production plus rejection equal to total production. Run time in second, 1200 minute into 60 second के साथ किया, and we take all this value in seconds here. When we put all this value in this formula, we calculate our performance here, right? Third one is quality. How can we calculate the quality? Quality is good count divided by total count. Good count हमारा यहाँ कितना आया था? That was 32400, and total count, good count plus rejection equal to total count. This is 0.92. This is our quality, right? How can we calculate OEE? Availability into performance into quality. OEE equal to this value को कैलकुलेट करेंगे 0.64, यानी कि 64% our यहाँ we get our OEE, right? दोस्तों, आप इस टॉपिक को किसी भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फील्ड में, किसी भी असेंबली लाइन में, किसी भी पैकिंग लाइन में अप्लाई कर सकते हो और अपनी मशीन की पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस की एफिशिएंसी को बढ़ा सकते हो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन कैलकुलेट दी performance of that machine, and you can find out where we are lacking. For example, this is our most lack area, this one is because we got 83%, we have some losses, we can't run our process according to our plant production time. We lost here approximately, you can calculate 240 minutes we have lost here, and due to this our availability is reduced. Second was our lack area is here. We have produced 34,950 pieces, but 2550 pieces is our rejection. So due to this rejection, our performance is reduced. Performance reached to 84%. This is also our lacking area here, right? Our production is also less according to this value. According to cycle time, our production is also less here. So we have scope to improve in this area where we are lacking. If we improve our, if we reduce rejection here, this value is improved, and this value automatically will improve. So our OEE will automatically improve, right? Any question, friends? You can give your comments in the comment section so that I will try to give the answer of any of your question, right? Thank you.